Hey, I'm Skibo Holman. I'm a physical therapist here at McElroy headquarters. I do the agility testing here. You'll see me if you come to this location. I want to go through a couple of things that we're going to be doing during agility testing just so you can see what we're up to. To start with, I want to go through some of the things we're going to do for testing and why we do the testing that we do. One of the things we're going to look for is posture and techniques. Whenever you lift something, no matter how heavy it is, you do it the same way. You step up close to it. You get whatever it is between your feet if you can. If you can't, you just get as close to it as you can. All right, what I want to look for is, are you going to keep your chest up no matter what you're lifting and when you're putting it down? So chest up, head forward, squat, grab the box, stand up with it, do whatever it is we ask you to do, and when you sit it down, do the same thing. The tarp lift. I want to go through how I'm going to need you to lift the tarp and put it on the trailer. And I've got my friend DJ here to give us a hand. Come on over, DJ. So the first thing I want you to do is decide what shoulder you want to put this tarp on. Doesn't matter, but I want that shoulder oriented towards the trailer. So you're going to put it on your right shoulder. So his right shoulder is oriented towards the trailer. The next thing I'm going to tell you is those tarps are held together by bungee cords. Never lift by the bungee cords. They're just there to hold the tarp together. The bungee cords are under a lot of tension, and if they give, they're going to take a piece of you with it. So the bungee cords are just there to hold the tarps together. So he's in his right position. He's standing wide base of support. All right, the next thing I'm going to ask you to do is squat correctly. Stand the tarp up on end. Fantastic. All right, step forward to the tarp. You got it right in front of you. If we had bungee cords on that tarp, I'd ask you to find the hooks that are holding the bungee cords together. Turn the hooks to face away from you because you don't want to catch a hook in the eye or the ear when you're putting it up on your shoulder. Now, he's got everything just right. Right shoulder next to the trailer, tarp in front of him. Now, I'm going to ask that you squat down, both feet on the floor, right hand go up high, left hand go down low. Now, when you stand up, just throw that tarp up on your shoulder. Great. Now, get it up there. Fantastic. Now, keep this hand out front. The off-trailer hand stays out front. The trailer hand drops all the way down below the trailer and just roll it off on the trailer. That's how you put a tarp on a trailer. Now, to get it off, step to the side, get out of the way of that tarp, roll it off, let it hit the ground. Great. You don't want to be in front of that tarp when it comes off the trailer. Okay, I want to go over with you how I'm going to look for you to board this trailer. This is going to be one of the activities on the agility drill. So when you're boarding a trailer, you want to maintain 3 points of contact at all times. Hands, foot on the bottom. Now, when you go to get up on the deck, I want you to put your knee down first. All right, do that for me. Show me how it's done. All right, good, good. Now climb all the way up and stand up. Fantastic. Now, you'll come down same way, just in reverse. Come on down, knee down. Now look for your bottom step. Reach, reach, reach. There you go, good. Now come on down. Good. You'll be required to do that twice. Okay, so you need to know also, we monitor your heart rate throughout the process. If your heart rate gets too high, I cannot pass you. That is a medical requirement. That number's around 200 beats a minute. If your heart rate gets that high with 3 minutes of activity, something's going on, you need to get checked out. Blood pressure is the same way. However, I'm gonna do blood pressure when you first come back. I'm gonna do blood pressure again after 3 minutes of activity. If your blood pressure is too high, can't pass you. It's nothing personal, it's just a medical requirement. One of the things I want to talk to you about is a 3-minute step test, and this is what you'll be doing before we monitor your blood pressure. We'll do it before this, and we'll do it again after it. So I want you to understand what we're going to be looking for here. 3-minute step test. It's a 12-inch step. You're going to step for 3 minutes to this cadence, 92 beats a minute. This is your cadence. When I say go, you're going to step to this cadence. Simple. I'm gonna stop you every minute and get your heart rate. After you do this for 3 minutes, I'm gonna give you a slight rest, and then I'm gonna monitor your blood pressure, and we'll see what happens from there. Okay, I wanna go through our musculoskeletal screening. To do that, I'm gonna invite my friend DJ in. Come on over, DJ. We're gonna go through what I'm going to look for first. All right, I want you to look all the way up, look down, look over your left shoulder, look over your right shoulder. Great. Arms all the way up. Arms straight out in front of you. Hold them there. Don't let me push them down. Hold them. Good. Palms up. Hold them. Now, elbows down by your side. I'm gonna push in, you resist me. Hold, good. I'm gonna push out, hold. I'm gonna push down, hold. Fantastic. Have a seat on that box right there. Right leg out and hold it up, hold, good. Toes back, hold. Now I'm gonna move your knee around, you relax your leg. Hold on, hold, relax, good. I'm just checking your knee to see if there's anything in there that shouldn't be, like wrenches or screwdrivers. Straighten that leg out, hold it, good. Toes back, hold it, fantastic. Relax, good. All right, put that down. Now I'm just gonna check your shoulder, relax your shoulder, good. And I would do that on the other side as well. That's the whole musculoskeletal screen.